Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made pizza and burger for my mukbang video. So let's get started. Firstly, let's take a plate or any utensils you feel easy to knead a dough. Put maida on it, add salt, baking powder and sugar if your curd is not sweet. Mix it, add oil and add curd. Mix and knead properly till it's soft. Add oil and then punch it, poke it, make a face in it and finally let it rest for 10 minutes. And let me tell you a secret while the dough is resting. I cook 95% of the food by myself for my Mukbang Pari channel because I love cooking and eating a lot. Okay, back after 10 minutes. Let's make pizza. Take how much dough you need and start flattening it into a circular shape. It is so soft, guys. Take a pan, put some oil and spread the dough in it. Make tiny holes. And guys, I made a mistake here. I should have first cooked this roti both sides before adding toppings, but I forgot and started adding toppings. So anyways, now add tomato sauce, chili and garlic sauce, Szechuan sauce, capsicum, onion, chicken, and any types of toppings of your choice and lots of cheese. Put it on the stove in a very low flame and cover the lid. After about 5 minutes, check it and if cooked, turn off the gas, cover the lid and leave it for 2 minutes. Our pizza is ready and smells so good. Now let's make burger. Take 2 buns and cut in half. Add special homemade burger sauce. Add sliced onions, tomatoes, chicken patties with cheese. And I couldn't show you how I made these patties, but it's just the chicken breast, punched, seasoned and fried. Little ketchup and finally half fried eggs. Little sauce at the end and close the lid. Our tastiest burger is ready. See the delicious burger? Are you salivating? So now I'm all ready to make mukbang video. Don't forget to visit Mukbang Pari too. And if you liked my video, then don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, share this video and please subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.